Chai Time. And this is me documenting my journey of stepping out of my comfort zone, building confidence, and becoming the version of myself I've always wanted to be. One small step at a time. And speaking of one small step, hindi naman kailangang malaki ang pagbabago agad, diba? For me, confidence starts with small wins. Kaya today, ang goal ko ay ito, matuloy yung pag-video ng journey ko, matuloy yung pagsasalita ko sa camera for a week. And we're already on day 3. So, wow, that's a small win for me. And para sa iba, maliit to. Kasi maliit na bagay to kasi sanay na sila. Pero para sa akin, malaking bagay na to. Kasi sa isang introvert na tulad ko, medyo mahirap magsalita pa rin sa camera. Mahirap mag-express ng sarili. Mahirap i-let go yung mga fears, yung overthinking and all. Kaya this day 3 is really a big deal for me. Kaya diba, small progress is still a progress. Ayan lang. See you again tomorrow. Bye!